Today I'll be showing you my Thomas the Train's wooden railway collection. Please enjoy. Splatter, Dodge, Winston, Porter, Luke, Stafford, Millie, Salty, Douglas, Rosie, Charlie, Whiff, Bill, and Ben. Jack, Mavis, Annie, Elizabeth, Patrick, Troublesome Trucks, Goldmine Rickety, Toby, Connor and Connor's Tender, Scruff, Stanley, Stephen, Sydney, Lighted Aquarium Car, and Shark Aquarium Car. Terrence, Big City Engine, Lori 1, Alfie, Duck, Percy, Neil, Victor, Scarloey, Fossil Car, and Gordon in Gordon's Tender. Sir Handel, Marion, Dennis, Kevin, Belle, Henry and Henry's Tender, Ryan, Stepney, Donald, the Calliope, and Giggling Troublesome Trucks. Dash, Bash, Gold Car, Flora, Mike and Mike's Tender, Dart, Rickety, Thomas, Duncan, Fred, Paxton, 60-year anniversary Percy, and the recycling car. Harold, Hank, Gator, Diesel, Peter Sam, the Jude Train, Flynn, Oliver, Cheese-Covered Iron Airy, Edward and Edward's Tender, the Oil Tanker, and Limited Edition Thomas. Henrietta, James and James's Tender, Sir Handel, Rheneas, Rocky and Rocky's Tender. Emily. Butch. The Sodor China Clay Car. Max. Limited Edition Diesel. Birdie. Harvey. And Hero and Hero's Tender. Lady. Crane Car. Timothy. Fearless Freddy. Diesel 10. Old Slow Coach. Octopus Aquarium Car. Chinese Dragon. Molly. Ferdinand and Ferdinand's Tender. Caitlin and Spencer and Spencer's Tender. Kelly. Henry. James and James's Tender. Busy as a Bee Thomas. Madge. Spencer. Talking Spencer.
Silver Steam.
Talking Emily.
Excellent, Emily can do it.
Special Edition Christmas James. Hook and Ladder Car and Bulstrode. Thank you for watching.